Hello world! In this tutorial we will make a paddle game. The finished product will look and play like this. Hello and welcome to a tutorial Scratch. This is a Pong game that we're going to make. First, go to Sprite 1 and right click it. Click Delete button. Then create a new sprite with the paintbrush tool. Paint new sprite and click it. Use the rectangle tool and then use hollow mode and then draw a rectangle at the bottom of where you want it. Use the fill tool to fill it in. I'll choose a gradient, a nice gradient with blue and purple or pink. And then I'll fill it in right here. Then let's decorate our stage. Go to the stage, backdrops, and then click the gradient again. Choose the line, the white fill color with the line in it. Then go to here and click the yellow or dark color. Then fill it in. You should have a nice backdrop like that. Now it's time to make the scripts for the paddle. Go to Scripts, Events, and drag out the When Green Flag Clicked button. Then go to Control and then drag out a forever loop. Then go to Motion and click the Set X to 0. Go to Operators, Sensing, and drag out a mouse X. That should work it. But we need to shrink our paddle. Go to Shrink button, the top right, and then shrink it to your desired size. Drag it to where you want it on the stage. And then let's create our ball. Go to the Circle Ellipse tool and then Shift to create a circle. Drag it to the center of it. Then click a fill color. I chose a lime color. Okay, now time to make the script for the ball. Go to Scripts and click When Events. Go to When Green Flag Clicked and then go to Control and then drag out a forever loop. Go to Motion and then click Move 10 steps and then drag out If on Edge Bounce. But it's just bouncing from horizontally left to right. Let's change that. Go to here and then position this to 78. Now it should bounce like this. But it's not bouncing off the paddle. It's just bouncing down. Let's change that with a go to Control and then drag out a If Then block. Then go to Sensing and click Touching. Go to the arrow, the drop down list, and then click Sprite 1. Then click Motion, drag out a point in direction, and then go to Operators. Drag out a Pick Random 1 to 10. the first one minus 90. I put the next one 90. Now it should bounce off. But this doesn't have anything. Let's make a die to make it harder. First, shrink the paddle more. There. Then shrink the ball more. Then create a sprite named Lava. Click the information and then type in lava. Use the rectangle tool to create a red platform. This will be the lava. Drag it to the bottom of the stage. There. Let's stretch it a little bit more so it'll fit this stage perfectly. Now let's create a script for it. Go to Events and then drag it on when green flag clicked. Go to Control and then Forever. Then go to Motion and then drag out a go to X, Y block and place it inside the Forever block. Right click the block panel and then click Clean Up. I'm going to name all our sprites Ball and Paddle. Now let's make the die. Go to Ball and then click If Touching. Then drag out a touching block from Sensing. Click the drop down list and then click Lava. Then go to Control and then click Events and then click Broadcast Message 1. Go to drop down list and then click New Message and then click and then write Die. Go to the stage and make a new backdrop. Click Paint New Backdrop. Draw a blood red stage and then use the text tool to write You died. Better luck next time. Use the select tool to make it bigger. Name this backdrop Die. Name this one Game On. Go to Scripts and then click. When green flag clicked, then go to control and then put a forever. Then put an if. Go to looks and then switch backdrop to game on. And then forever instead of that. Then go to events and then click when I receive die. Then switch to backdrop to die. And then stop all. Now go to the ball. Let's test our game. Yep, it works. But we need to hide the ball and the paddle. So let's put when I touch the lava, then broadcast die, and then hide. Then go to paddle and then click when I receive die, then hide. Then clean up. Let's put that in the lava too. Then go to the paddle and then click show. Go to looks and click show and drag it out. Put it under the when green flag clicked. Go to ball and do the same thing. Save it as Pong. Thanks for watching. Bye. Go to ball and then go to X in the first script. Type in 15 and 132. It works.